Choose your activity type and give it a name. Then select the devices for your activity by tapping on the appropriate device rows at the bottom of the screen. Tapping on a selected row deselects it if necessary. The activity type and devices you select will determine how RedEye builds the initial button layout for your activity. For example, in this Watch TV activity, I am including both a cable box and an AV receiver. RedEye will assume that because I have included the receiver, I am piping my sound through the AVR, and therefore assign receiver commands to the volume controls. Also, it will assume that I am changing channels using the cable box, and therefore assign the channel controls to the set-top box. If you prefer to create a completely custom layout, simply choose Activity Type Other. Once you're finished on this screen, tap Save to continue. In the second step of the activity creation process, we define our activity's launch and shutdown actions. RedEye will automatically add the power on actions to your launch activity sequence and power off actions to your shutdown sequence. To reorder actions on the list, tap on the Edit button at the bottom of the screen. In this case, we will turn the cable box on first, so we can grab the handle at the right side of the screen and drag the cable power on action to the top. When you're finished reordering actions, tap on the Done button. To add a new action, tap on the Add Action row. On the Action Setup screen, select your device and then the command you need. In this case, the TV must be tuned to the component input when watching television using our cable box. Tap Save when you are finished. I can add another action for AVR. This device needs to be on the cable input, and tap Save to finish. You can tap on the delay fields between actions to adjust the amount of time between each step. Tap on the Done button when finished. Finally, tap on the Save button to finish creating your activity. If you find out later that you need to adjust launch actions, do not worry. You can do that once the activity is created as well. Just as when you added the device, once you add an activity, RedEye takes you to the activity setup page where you can edit its details. To examine and tweak the button layout, scroll to the bottom of the page and tap on Layout Activity Buttons. This is the Activity Button Editor, displaying the layout created using our Watch TV template. Tap on a button to select. Then tap on the Button Details icon to edit its details. Button Details is down here at the bottom, and it's grayed out now because no